Welcome to this video. We're going to continue on percents. We're going to do some more problems that involve percents and equations this time. Last time it was just expressions, I guess. Okay, so let's dive right in. There's no really new concepts to introduce here. 28% of what number is 7? So how do we set this up? So go ahead and try it yourself first. How do we express 28%? You can do 0.28, or you can write 28 over 100 of is multiply what number, that's x, or some variable, doesn't matter what you call it, is equals 7. Okay, so the number x would be 7 times 100 over 28. We can cancel, so that would be 25 over 4. 100 over 4, that is 25. Next, 3.6 is 240% of what number? So go ahead and try to set this one up first. Did you get 1.5? So 3.6 is, so equals 240%, so you can write it as 240 over 100 of times what number? X. Okay, so X would be 3.6 times 100 over 240. We can move the decimal place here twice, so it'll be 360 over 240. Okay, cancel the zeros, and then this would be, that is 9. What am I thinking right now? I literally had a blank. I'm thinking divide by 4s, because that's 9, and that's 9, so we can further simplify 3 over 2, or 1.5. Okay, next, 0.5% of 180 is what number? So go ahead and set this one up and solve it first on your own. Okay, so 0.5% is half over 100 of, so times 180 is equals what number? X. Okay, so your X is, so let's change this to 1 over 200 times 180. Okay, 18 over 20, that is 0.9. All right, next, 3 1/3% of what number is 2.5? So go ahead and try this one. The answer should be 75. Okay, so 3 1/3. Let's write this as a one fraction instead of a mixed number. It would be 10 over 3 over 100 of times what number? X is 2.5. Okay, so this is the same thing as 10 over 300 times X is 2.5. Okay, we can cross out one of the zeros on top and bottom. So let's multiply by 30. X is 30 times 2.5. Okay, and what is that? That is 60 plus 15, which is 75, as I said earlier. Okay, number 5, hopefully you see the pattern if you didn't get the first few. 26.4 is 0.55% of what number? So go ahead and try this one. 26.4 equals 0.55 over 100 times X. So X would be 26.4 times 100 over 0.55. Okay, and that should be 4,800. And that makes sense. This is not even 1%. 1% of this would be 48. That's not even 1%. It's even less than half of 1%. Or it's about half of 1%. Okay. What percent is 12 of 12 is 8. So go ahead and try this one. Okay, what percent, I usually notate it as x over 100, of 12 is 8. Okay? X should be 8 times 100 over 12. We can do this. Okay? That is 200 over 3. Okay, which is, that is what, 66 and 2/3%. It'll be 66 and 2/3, I should say. And then this is already in percent because I wrote it as over 100. Okay, so the answer is B. Okay. 54 is 120% of K. Which of the following proportions could be used to solve the above expression? So go ahead and pick the right one. Try to pick the right one on your own first. Okay, the answer should be D. Okay, so let's write this. 54 is 120%. That's 120 over 100, or 1.2 of, so times, K. Okay, actually let's write it as, let me write it as 120 over 100, because that's what the choices have. Times K. Okay, and then let's just move the K to the other side. 54 over K is 120 over 100. That's exactly that. Okay, number 8, I guess this will be a quite short video. If Kevin's monthly salary of $4,500 is 72% of Paul's monthly salary, what is Paul's monthly salary? So go ahead and try to solve this one. Okay, hopefully you got the pattern now. Kevin's monthly salary is 72%, so 0.72 of Paul's. So K is 0.72 times P, and Kevin's salary is 4,500. Okay, so Paul's monthly salary, we just solved for P, is 4,500 times 100 over 72. Okay, if I divide by 9 here, that would be 8. 9 here, that would be 500. All right, and then if I divide by 4 here, that would be 2. By 4 here, that would be 25. And then this would be 250. So 250 times 25. How much is that? That is 6250. Answer is D. Okay. That's it for this video. Pretty short, and hopefully it was not too bad. You can hopefully see the pattern as I went through the different problems. They were really similar, just writing this percentage as a fraction, or if it's asking for the percentage, write it as x over 100, or something like that. Okay? All right. As always, if this video was helpful in any way, please like and subscribe. And in the next video, if you're curious, there'll be more word problems. So please look out for that if you're interested.